Well, look like Anju win for true. But even though one of my party win still, I guess it'll work out better for me anyway, cause the same people, them are still in place. So when time I go back up at the farm work, I feel everything's supposed to run smooth, kind of shifting not go on, I not like that. Right now, I just really look forward to go back up in Canada this time. Even though the place cool and the work hard, but the money good. And the money can definitely help me to propel myself to be a better person in life and help all my mother too. Boy, just can't wait for next week comes time. I really need to live back out of that place. The toxicity in this environment is way too high.
Yo, Tuggy, Jano star, the party, loose star. Yeah, I tell us, yo, I feel a way in myself right now, star. But yo, we have to go make a step on the boy G-Go them, you know. But we have to go make a statement too over there and make them boy, they know, say, yo, the thing tough over here, so same way. Because I know, say, them boy, they go and come hype, you know, and come make a step on we, you know. But we have to go make sure, so we deal with it first. So here what you do. When you get some juvenile, round them up, strap them up. Because we have to make a step on them boy, they quick and fast. You hear that?
Alright, my general, me hear you, but guess what I gotta go on right now, my boss. You have to go get them juvenile there yourself. Cause right now, a 2 juvenile me get for go up and works under your orders. And the 2 of them end up lose them life. I mean not see nothing where the gang do for the youth and family. And them think they are joke thing, my general. Big and serious, no disrespect to your thing. No disrespect to your authority. But me not say nothing where a gang do for you them. Nave my piece of food we could have run upon the people and family. That's them could have helped to bury them decent. Nothing at all, my boss. All they had the finna just a strap. Jano star, my boss. This thing here is heavy for me. I'ma just have to get it off of my chest. I make you know exactly how I feel about the situation. And the juvenile, them a talk to. Juvenile, them a talk, say, yo, them not to trust the thing again. Cause them see where go on with Shotfoot. Them look and see where go on with Chase. And them not want the same fate to reach them. So we have to do the thing different, my general. We can't take the same approach to everything and expect to get a different type of result. The thing now work like how you are structured it, my general. So you have to think about them things. So yeah, we can go make the step, but you have to go get the juvenile them. Me no want no more blood from my show, my boss. I just they say thing there.
Why, Tuggy, I have to give you a round of applause for that speech there. I walk on. You grow some balls, you know, you get tough. You tell me how to run my show, you know. I was really go on with your Tuggy. They come here like you never love yourself no more. I was going. I wonder if you forgot who you turn up in front and a chat to, boy. You forget who you chat to. Look at my face. I'm me, BaddaDan. So here what you do. Round up the juvenile them and have them ready. Cause you say, if you not do it, me say, me I go do it me want to do. And trust and believe me, Tuggy. You're not gonna like it. But your mother did name again. Don't answer that.
Now if I make it reach this my boss. Oh, all my mother get involved in that. I just advise my opinion, my general. I just make you know, say, as a criminal organization, we have to dead for the youths, them family when time the youths them fall. It's not a good look one way. So I just say that to you to make sure, say, you have the youths them ears and hands in the palm of your hands easier. Because them a look on and them a talk. So I just say all of that to you, my general, for your benefit. So now get the thing wrong, my boss. No disrespect. You say the juvenile them for round, consider it done.
Then who say you're a fool, Tuggy? You're smart, man. You're not an idiot. You just made the right choice. So me don't want you feel like say you want to come override my authority. Or feel like say you can't size up with me thing in the youth. Whether or not you feel like it to my benefit, you keep that to yourself and just do what me say. Me never ask your opinion for nothing. Me give you an order where me expect say you to follow. So just do that and not give me no farm a tough chop. Any day you try that again, me I go rest my matic in your face and make you ask me gun why. Hear that, Tuggy. Hear that.
Alright, my general, make I get that deal with right and now, my boss. I say I would. General Star, Father God, do not summer life for a continue be. I made this for the rest of my time on planet Earth. Coming like me can't even escape out of that loop here when I find myself in with BaddaDan. Anywhere me turn, Maka joke me. What will I there? I hold that down there, sir. Ratted. You know how long me not see a man like Tom? Tom come back in a place. Yo, me have got yell Tom Star, General Star. Sad to say still, if you got yell a madman in our community, that the highlight of my day, Jaja God.
Tuggy, what's up, man? What's going on? Long time no see, Tuggy. So I go on. You can't give me $100. You know see what me tear up and dirty and look. I want to buy a fresh suit of clothes one of them time I start, but I can't have my food, that's a year ago. Just beg you $100. I lick a sardine and bread no one go buy. I know too long ago I see all Brandon and him bless me up, you know. So you can't make Brandon bless me up and you not bless me up. And me and you there long before Brandon even born. Boss my man, beg you $100, man.
General Star, Tom. General Star, me there. I gotta give you a bill still, but me nah lie still. Me there under some whole heap of stress, Star. Whole heap of stress me there under. Remember days as a youth, I grew up still, you know, you used to sit down and hold some decent reasoning, you know. I know so many of the people in a place could have feel like say I was a mad boy, but me have you as one of the smartest mentors them in a place. Even though you're mentally unstable, I still have you as a man we're more stable-minded than some of the so-called mentally stable. You're a good youth in a time. Glad to see you come back in a place still. Yeah, man. Glad to see you back. Hope you're not bother with no more disappearing, you know. And left the place, you know. Tom, you're a general.
You know, say me is a man always catch up all about the place in some little places and me hear all sort of things more time. But listen to me, Tuggy. I want you to hear me loud and clear, you know. Because it's crazy how the people that you would ride for or even take a bullet for are the same ones loading the gun. Listen me, Tuggy. Betrayal never comes from enemies. It comes from the one you have trusted the most. Sometimes the people you would take a bullet for are the same ones pulling the trigger. And the lesson of that painful truth is that it teaches you to guard yourself against people like that. So with that said, me still want the $100. But you need to start make yourself unavailable to certain people, especially in the fact that you are not appreciated. That is a standard that you have to set for yourself, Tuggy. Yeah? There has to be some sort of healthy boundaries. So you have to deal with them things there for yourself. Because if you no longer feel appreciated in the gang, you know, a time for your check out, a time for your cut, and start making yourself available, especially in something that you know is wrong. Tuggy, put some value upon yourself. Because if you don't put no value upon yourself, all you gotta expect say, certain people are gonna value you.
Boy, Tom, you never cease to amaze me. Your words while ago joke me down like a bad man in a corner. Chano Star, you have me thinking some serious things right now, Star. You're right about every single thing what you say. I need to put some value upon myself. Cause if me not value me, I literally can't expect nobody else to value me. Jaja God. Them say time drunk, caught time no fool. And the way my boss, and they have give you $100. Hold that $500 yeah. And I will see you in the streets, that's it. Jano Star. I have some things that rest heavily upon my heart right now, but I give thanks to the wise words as always still from my youth growing up. It's just a pity, say. I never really fully understand as a younger youth growing up when I try to show me certain things. But may I get it now still. I'ma just hope it not too late.
$500 Tuggy. What? My Christmas come today. As someone knows say I want God bless youth in a Tuggy. May the good Lord go with your youth. May the good Lord go with you. And listen to me. Nobody too beat up on yourself, youth. Never too late for your shower or rain. If you really need for change, the change can start now. But anyway, I go buy my sardine and bread. Thank you, Tuggy. You just make the worm them satisfied.
Boy, I don't know what is all my life boiled down to, you know. Now all I fear go to all a madman to get some serious reasoning. Why I come like, me see truth in front of my very eyes and me just now have to see it, me now have to admit it. BaddaDan me rate me, BaddaDan I rate nobody. You don't go think BaddaDan care about himself and him strap them. Chano Star, see the liquor chase gone. And my man granny more me for the pressure. Chano Star. BaddaDan I want good smarty at all. I'm just sorry say it take me so long to find out that. As me say still, truth has stay me in front of the face so long I just me feel to see it.
Hey Brandon, how's your day going?
Oh, go on, my baby. No, say my day good still. I just stay go on 1-2 still, you know. You good?
Yeah, my day is going fine. So, I was thinking that it's time for you to meet my parents, especially my dad. I think you'd like him.
Meet your parents, Rachel. Chano Star. You're sure you're ready for we do that?
Yes, I'm sure, Brandon. I think they'd like you a lot.
Boy, baby, man, I lie. Star that wanna lick me like a ton of brick. You have me weak in my knees, but if I that I can make you happy, yeah, man, we deal with it, man. We come meet the parents, man. Is it?
Aw, yes. Thank you, Brandon. It's all set then. You coming to meet them today. I'll send you the address.
Send me the address. Alright. Okay. Alright, Rachel. Boy, you just dropped this for me so sudden, so but. Alright, I gotta make it done, man. Don't worry yourself. What time if I shoot by?
I'll send you the time, place, and everything. Woo! I'm so excited. And Brandon, thank you again. This means a lot to me.
Alright, my baby, no say nothing, man. I have you covered upon this, man. We'll see you later, yeah. You know, Star, me have to meet Rachel parents them in the evening. I may even get a chance to prepare myself now, nothing, Star. You know, Star, I may even get a haircut, a line up, a shave up, nothing at all. Shacha God. I just hope them like me still, cause if them people are not like me, I look like it I gonna be too tough for the Rachel, cause seems as if like she valid everything with her parents then say. So she won't have to get them approval so me and her can move forward. So me don't know. What me I gotta do? I forgot just go and just put my best foot forward and just work for your best. But go and get myself together right now, still take out a decent pants and shirt and clean shoes and get myself together as best as possible to go meet the parents, them, you know. Right now, I guess my relationship or which part it I go from this depends on the meter. Make me go and go do it then, no? I wonder what if I wear. White shirt, black pants, white tees, blue jeans and some kicks. I'm not really too overdo it, I just want to feel comfortable in myself. Want to look normal. But anyway, you hear me? I got all that trim right now still. Come go up on the road to get myself line up and decent up and come back, come through on some clothes and call Rachel, meet up and head out.
Yo, Brendan, what I going?
Brandon, what I go on with what? Look like something I go on with.
Like you turn bad, you know, every time I see an approach you coming like a beer badness, you just a shove my way.
Me I should badness your way with what? Can I say I try if you avoid you. A problem me no want. At that I go on right so. Remember so I tell you this already you. You kill her for me already, you know. So I not trust you. So I able to wine and a whole heap of chattings with you.
Nah man, brother man. What you talk about, man? Just take it easy now, Brendan, man. But you move so tough, brother. Just go easy, man. I just want to figure out if I did put some tattoo when me and you did all I reasoning about the year. I just thought alone make me even yell in that. Cause me ain't the vibes with the night star. I just go me and go through and see him and just say, yo, let me see if Brendan did put some tattoo in time and him did all I reasoning or there. So I just that so I don't know badness thing. Me not try to bully you or nothing, brother. So me don't know how you just come at me so aggressive all the while. How about go on?
Alright, probably to the mirror. So here we go. I have some things I deal with in my daily. So come give me a bus tomorrow on the block. Make a whole reason. Make sure so you have everything sorted out in a year of mind what you want to tell me say. Cause me just I gotta just sit down and listen. And if what you say makes sense, then we can have a reasoning. Oh my son.
Well, that sound like a plan, right, you know? That me wanna fear.